Hello guys, meron tayong quick unboxing ngayon. This is the Solid Edge Works Dragon Ball Z Metal Cooler Edition. Yan. So, bihira natin makita itong character na to, diba? So, lumabas lang siya, I think, dun sa special ng Dragon Ball Z movie, Metal Cooler Saga. And if I'm not mistaken, kapatid siya ni Frieza, diba? Ito si Metal Cooler. So, ito yung bubuksan natin ngayon. It's a treat for all you Dragon Ball Z fans out there, and I can't wait to open this up for you guys. For anything else, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff, please look for that. And also, if you would like to buy toys like these, please do visit our online stores, Shopee, shopee.ph/toyfriendly, and sa facebook.com/toyfriendly. So without any further ado, let's go and open this up, and here we go!
I was just a shadow in the crowd, lost in the noise, barely making a sound. Then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free.
So here we are. We're going to be unboxing this awesome figure, Metal Cooler or Metal Coola, whatever floats your boat. This Dragon Ball Z rarity of a figure. Bihira siyang i-produce. Ito yung kapatid ni Frieza, diba? Saga. So hindi rin sila umubra talaga kay Goku. Sobrang lakas eh. Anyway, ito, bubuksan natin. Ito yung box na, check muna natin box. Solid Edge Works line ng Dragon Ball Z. So, matagal na tong line na to. Ang, siguro ang pinaka-highlight nito is yung quality. Yung paint job quality. And yung material ng figure. Sobrang accurate nung recreation nila sa characters. So, matagal na to, years na tinagal nitong line na to. So, maganda. Solid in line. Solid Edge Works na. And, yun, ito yung front. And then, side. Kita nyo yung, full figure niya. And, the other side, yun, another view of Metal Cooler. Metal Coola. Yeah. So, yun. Top. Pretty standard stuff. Diba? Yan. Sa bottom, yung mga napakaraming credits. So, yun. Buksan natin. Natin yung laman yan. So, madami-dami na rin yung mga Dragon Ball figures na unbox natin dito sa channel na to, diba? Ranging from resins to yung Banpresto price figures na kagaya nito. Pero iba-iba line, daming line nito. Daming line ng Dragon Ball. Siyempre super sikat kaya sobrang dami ng line na iba-ibang specialization. So, ayan. Bubuksan natin to. And, assemble muna natin. Tapos, pakita natin sa inyo yung final form. Ayan na guys. Metal Cooler Solid Edge Works line from Dragon Ball Z and Banpresto, Bandai Namco. Solid talaga. Kita nyo. Metallic kang paint job. Syempre, Metal Cooler na. And ito maganda dyan, kita niyo yung mukha, on model talaga siya. Kung ano yung lumabas sa anime, yun din yung ginawa nila. And wala na kailangang i-assemble dito guys, wala nga siyang foot support. As in talagang solid, isang buong figure, wala articulation syempre, pero kita niyo yung quality, diba? Yung detail, attention to detail, yan ang maganda sa Bandai. Banpresto, Bandai Namco and Banpresto figures, talagang yung attention nila sa detail is top notch. Ayan. Siguro, itong figure na to, this stands at about 6 to 7 inches and solid material, PVC. Ayan, buntot mo. Again, magandang addition sa collection ng Dragon Ball. Especially kung wala pa kayo nitong character na to, diba? Kailangan kasi makompleto nila yun. And important part siya ng Dragon Ball Z lore, si Metal Cooler. So, maganda rin yung mga labanan nila ni Goku. So, definitely a must-have for your collection. Ang ganda, guys. Yan. Pag gumawa kayo ng parang all-villain na diorama, kasama to ng Dragon Ball Z all-villain diorama. Sobrang lupit na collection. And kung gusto nyo pang magkaroon nito, marami pa tayo sa stocks natin, sa store. Just give us a message and we'll hook you up with a piece or two. And marami pa tayong stocks nito. And that is our quick unboxing and review of Solid Edge Works Metal Cooler from Dragon Ball Z. And ganda. Awesome figure. Solid. Talagang hindi kayo magsusorry pag binili nyo. And that's it. Cue for montage. So there you have it, guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of this awesome Metal Cooler figure from Dragon Ball Z. This is part of the Solid Edge Works line from Bandai Namco and Banpresto. And awesome figure, perfect addition to your Dragon Ball Z collection. Ayan, ganda, guys. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates on future unboxing episodes and other events or fun stuff that we have going on in the future. And also, please do visit our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly, and punta rin kayo sa Shopee page natin. Lalo na ngayon, maraming mga upcoming events, mga sale events. 11/11 ang susunod. So, punta kayo, shopee.ph/toyfriendly. Maraming bargain finds and discount vouchers doon. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.